everybody, it's Lori, GLP-1 Journey in Review. I want to start off by saying I am not a healthcare provider, I'm not a dietitian, I'm just very enthusiastic about this medication, and I want to share my journey with everybody, and hopefully they'll learn something. If you find this at all useful, please hit that like, subscribe, and share button, and I'll be giving you some information later in the video on my contest. So here we go. So, latest blood work. I want to start off by saying that my primary care physician who ordered this does not believe in any medication for dieting. He does not handle my GLP-1 medication. He knows that I am on it, but he's very old-fashioned, one of these, all you need is a good diet and exercise, and that should be fine. He's been my doctor for almost 40 years. I'm not quite ready to change. When I do change, I already have a physician, and she is the one that manages my GLP-1 medication, along with the telehealth from the online companies. So let's get into the results. My glucose, 83, normal. Creatinine, 0.74, normal. My sodium, 140, normal. My potassium, 4.4, normal. My chloride, 103, normal. Carbon dioxide, 28, normal. Calcium, 9.6, normal. My protein, 7.5, normal. Albumin, 4.5, normal. Let's skip over some of these. My thyroid, 14, normal. AST, also thyroid, normal. My HDL cholesterol, 60, normal. My triglycerides, 77, normal. Red blood count, normal, 4.49. White blood count, 6.9, normal. Hematocrit, 42, normal. Platelet count, 369, normal. Now, everything else is normal. This is the first time that I've ever had 100% of everything normal, including my urine, because a lot of times I'll have a UTI and don't even know it, so sometimes my white blood count is high, but this was the first time everything was normal. The doctor himself called me as opposed to one of his nurses, because I've never had 100% normal blood test, and God knows how long. So since he doesn't really believe in the medication, he's never really done an A1C, so I do not know what my A1C was before I started this, but my other doc a few months ago did order an A1C, and it was 5.1, which is perfectly normal, and everything is great. He wants me to keep up the good work. Again, he knows I'm on the medication. When I went to visit, he kind of skirted around that issue, and when I said something, he's like, well, I'm not the one that handles it. Talk to your other doctor. So that's pretty much what I'll do. And again, I pulled up some old blood work from before I started, and although my cholesterol was normal, my triglycerides were high, my LDL was high, and some of my liver function tests were a little bit high because I did have a fatty liver, and it was from being overweight. I know this because being an imaging tech, I had a CAT scan. I don't know if it was one that I was supposed to have, or we were just testing a protocol or something along those lines, but my liver was a little bit fatty, so I kind of knew it was from the weight because I don't drink. And I've had other tests like ultrasound and also an MRA just to check everything out. I actually had the MRA because of my blood pressure at the time. They wanted to make sure that my kidneys, off chance that my renal arteries weren't the cause of that. I'm now off of the blood pressure pills. As far as the statins, I'm going to go see my cardiologist in, I think, 2 or 3 months. Before, he didn't want to be too aggressive because he said that people on this medication, a lot of them tend to gain it back, so he didn't want to be quite that aggressive. He wanted to make sure that I was going to keep the weight off, and I am going to take a maintenance dose, and if I'm on it for life, I'm on it for life. If I could wean myself off of it, don't know if that's going to happen or if I'm going to do that. An option. I'm hoping that when the oral medications come out, it'll be less expensive and a better way for me to keep maintaining. So I got my blood work back, all normal. I'm all happy. Wanted to share that with everybody, and I wish every luck with their journey. Now, as far as the contest, We're going to use the emoji of a pretzel. So either write pretzel, like this video, comment pretzel or the emoji pretzel, and you're entered if you're a subscriber. So I hope everybody's labs are as good as this when they get theirs. This medication is a wonderful tool, and I can't say enough good things about it. And I do every day say usually good things about it. So thanks for listening, and have a great day.